In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the list view in Airtable interfaces. If you've been curious about Airtable and how to make the most of its features, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide and get you up and running with the list view interface. First, once you've signed into Airtable, you'll want to head over to your project dashboard. Simply click on the Continue button. Now, on this dashboard, you'll notice a display of all your bases. This is essentially your database repository, and today we'll be focusing on how to adjust one of these bases to feature the list view. Go ahead and select the base table you wish to convert into list view mode. Take a moment to ensure you're picking the correct base, as each base likely serves a unique function tailored to your specific organizational needs. Once you've selected the right base, the next step is to locate the Interfaces option in the menu. Clicking on this option will usher you into a new screen, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities for customizing your data view. This feature is particularly powerful if you're aiming to create a more visually appealing representation of your data. Now, as you explore this new screen, you'll see a button labeled Start Building. Click on this button to kick off the process of crafting your interface from the ground up. Having initiated this process, the next step involves selecting Build an Interface. This selection allows you to pinpoint exactly how you want your data to be showcased. Following this, you'll see a prompt to click Next, guiding you further into the setup journey. At this stage, you might encounter various prompts or fields requiring your input. Carefully follow these guides, ensuring that you're setting everything up in alignment with your preferences and specific requirements. Once you've completed these fields, go ahead and click Next once more to advance through the setup. Finally, the culmination of your journey lies in the last step. With all the previous steps completed, simply click on Finish, and voila! You now have a list view interface ready in Airtable. This new interface introduces a better way to interact with your data, offering you a more streamlined and insightful approach to managing your information. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the know-how to utilize the list view in Airtable interfaces effectively. Keep in mind that with dynamic tools like Airtable, practice makes perfect. So, I encourage you to explore, experiment, and discover the various ways you can optimize your data management tasks. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.